You just finished grading the unit test assignment that your first period students took. It was a challenging exam, but you're happy with the results. Your students really seem to understand the concepts, and you're excited to share the news. You'll give your students their graded tests back tomorrow. But if you can record their scores in Unified Classroom now, your students and their parents can see the scores right away in the student and parent portals and in the PowerSchool mobile app. To score an assignment in Unified Classroom, first click Grading in the navigation menu. Then click Assignment Activity List. Your first period class is already selected in the Class Selector menu at the top of the page, so now you just need to locate the assignment. On the Assignments Activities page, assignments are listed by category, name, and due date. By default, the assignments are sorted by the most recent due date. The numbers in the graded column correspond to the number of assignments you've scored out of the total number of students who were given the assignment. You can also see the number of points each assignment is worth, as well as whether or not the assignment includes work submitted by the students online. To start entering scores, roll your cursor over the Unit Test Assignment row, and at the end of the row, click the score icon, which looks like a calculator number pad. On the Unit Test page, the first column lists the names of the students in the class. Use the score column to enter the assignment score for each student. You aligned two standards to the assignment, so use the next two columns to record the standard scores. To enter the assignment score for the first student, click in the score cell next to his name. The score inspector opens to the right of the score cells. Refer to the summary information above the score cells to see which score type you selected when you created the assignment. The score type for this assignment is points, and the maximum number of points possible is 100. The first student earned 89 points on the assignment, so type that number in the score cell, or select 8 and 9 from the score inspector. To enter a comment for the selected student, click the Comments icon in the score inspector. Enter a comment in the Comments field. To enter the student score on the first standard, in the score inspector, click the grid icon, and then click the right-facing score arrow. The standard's grade scale you used is a 1 to 4 point scale. The student mastered the standard, so click 4. Move to the second standard and select 4 as well. The next student in the list did not complete the assignment, so click his score cell and choose the incomplete flag in the score inspector. Finish entering the assignment and standard scores for the rest of the students. Then save the scores. Notice that the incomplete flag appears in the score column as a blue square in the most compact view of the grading pages. To increase the size of the display text so that you can see the actual incomplete icon, click your user account icon in the lower left corner. Then click the Settings icon. On the Settings page, click Display Settings. On the Display Settings page, open the Scale View menu, select Medium, and click Save. Then navigate back to the unit test assignment by clicking the grading icon and selecting Assignment Activity List. Roll your cursor over the unit test assignment row and click the score icon again. Now you can see the incomplete flag icon rather than a blue square. Remember, to score an assignment from the Assignments Activities page, first, locate the assignment. Select the score icon for the assignment. Click in a cell in the score column and enter the student's assignment score or a flag. If applicable, enter the student's standard scores in the remaining columns, then save the scores. You set up the unit test scores to be published immediately, so they are now visible to students and parents, which means they can share in your excitement about how well the students did on such a challenging exam.